1 minute. I'll just stop this, and otherwise I'll get echo. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Yes, so just one advice: whenever you chant, 7 o'clock alarm. Whenever you chant, just keep your eyes closed so that no distraction will be there. Today, I think there was some noise from your house also, no, Mataji, Sanju Mataji. That's okay. When at home, the people will talk, right? But then you find a certain place where you are at peace. Like, you may be while chanting, you will not even know, that sound is coming. But then always see to it that you close your eyes and just let the thing flow. You people are having lungs capacity also so much, no? So you can just say 3 times at least, 3-4 times you can say together also. I cannot do. I can maximum say one end of that round. I mean, one full Mahamantra and then half. After that, I feel breathless. So you people can practice that way also. That is like a pranayama. Pranayama, you can do along with your chanting also. This is only a suggestion because pranayama is also important. It's good. It's good for your lungs. So as you breathe in more, your lung capacity increases. And, it is like a, what do you call it? Like balloon. It just goes up and up. I mean, it enlarges, it contracts, enlarges. That's very important. So by doing this, you can do that exercise also, like, take deep breath and just say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. I cannot even say 2 times because of the age, okay? But you people are all small, no? So you can do that you can do practice. But keep your eyes closed and just keep in the flow. I hope you people are doing that only. I'm not able to see. Yeah, now you can take the pranati also, Mataji. And Achu, before I forget, yesterday only I wanted to say, who are all coming for Bhakti with this Mangala Arati? I don't know. I can't find your names and all. First, only initially I just say, and then I'm in my own world. Like, so who are all coming? Just raise your hand. Mangala Arati, who are all attending? Nobody's attending Bhakti Shastri. Even we were doing Bhakti Shastri, we used to have a chart. Every day we have to write whether we have attended Mangala Arati, how much chanting we have done. And apart from then, in level 2, level 3, I myself started, for giving children, the students, that in WhatsApp they used to write early morning, Mangala Arati, yes, they have to just put Y. And then when they offer, in the morning, they offer milk or fruit or whatever, no? They will write 1 offer. 1.
We have Mataji, like that, sadhana chart. I posted. So from Monday
I'm not seen in the group. I'm not seen in the group.
I'll post it today, Mataji, because I give time till Monday. So I'll post it and then till next Monday I'll close it like that.
Correct. So every week it will be repeated, right?
Yes, same form and every day. In that there are columns also, Mangala Arati.
We had when we were doing Bhakti, but I started watching Mangala Arati because I was interested when I was in 18, when I was doing 18 days course. Even my everyday chanting was also increased because during that 18 days course, I used to chant 108 times per day because no other class, no retired person, no other class. So I was, I used to really enjoy, just listen to all the classes and keep chanting. I used to really like doing that.
Because 108 rounds, Mataji, wow.
Yeah. How I used to do, it's going on recording also, it's okay. What I used to do is tally mark. Not tally mark, how did we put in school days and all. First, that will be my starting. At that time, I was not even knowing Panchatattva mantra. So I used to keep it on the screen, typed in word, keep it on the screen. And I'll just keep walking. And after 1 round, I used to come and read from that shloka. Even that 4-line shloka took a lot of time. After a certain age, it becomes difficult for us to even by heart shlokas. So, but you're all so young, easily you can catch up. So what I used to do is first sheet I used to just mark like this columns, and then in each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So after every round, I used to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross. So that one, what box is over. The next box, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how I used to do is, I'll prepare breakfast for my husband, and he will have. I will not have. What I will think, I'll have to chant at least 16 times. If not 16, 10, 11, 12, depends. 1 hour I will chant, and then only I will have breakfast. And the breakfast has to be, I used to offer to the Lord first, then only it will be given for my husband to have. But I will not have. For me, the condition is you chant, then only you will be given food. I used to tell myself that condition I brought in within myself. Then again, the same thing with before lunch. See, because I'm at home, I can do all that. I cannot expect the same thing from all youngsters because you may be busy with so many other work, right? But some condition you have to put yourself. Yes, I will eat, or I will do this work, or I will go to sleep, or whatever. I'll take bath in the morning. Suppose if you are taking bath, well and good. Anything, you just put a condition. Yeah, while you are traveling, you can do chanting like that. So tell yourself, I'm going to, for you all, no condition, like only 16 rounds you have to do. That's all. About more than 16 rounds, it's up to you. Because I was free the whole day, I was doing that, Well, I used to really like chanting every day. By the end of the day, like 7:30, Bhakti sab lagane ke baad also I'll do just like that. I'll do. The satisfaction I used to get for the whole day ka thing. Again, I used to look forward. Oh, tomorrow when what time I should start. But Mangala Aarti ke time, you have to watch Mangala Aarti only. Before that, even today I get at 3:15 ke beech mein, and then before Mangala Aarti I chant. Just 1 hour at least I chant. Some 3:30, 3:20 I start. By 4:20, 4:25 I stop, and then Mangala Aarti. Again after that I chant. Again I'm saying, I'm not saying this is a standard. You have to follow me because my life is different. Each one's life is different. You formulate in your own life how to allocate time. If not so much of time, at least two rounds you can do. Yeah, four rounds. Four round is fine because 4 times 4, 16. 16 round is easily done. So you can do more than 16 in your day-to-day life. Okay, and start putting this. I don't know how many people are. I just forgot to see the hands raised. How many people are watching Mangala Aarti?
Mangala Aarti on Zoom, Mataji?
Yeah, on Zoom only, not on this video. Yeah, so you have to write, like he has written English BS, yes. Monica Mataji, yes. So you write extra also, so that I will know if these are our students, because it's still not, this is not registered for me, who are my students. Like, I'm very proud to have my students coming on this, because that is how I have trained my other, Tamil level 2, level 3 and all. So you write BS2. So ours is the second batch, right? So BS2. So I will know these are many students are coming and they are writing BS2. But anyway, the English department, one who is taking the attendance is known to me. She told me for me to write. Normally I used to write Tamil, TAM. Then she said, no, you're since in English. Why don't you? I'm learning also in English. So from today onwards, I started writing ENG. Hare Krishna. ENG-TAM, Tamil ka TAM also I put, so that in Tamil also, if anybody wants to take attendance, they can write my name. Hare Krishna. So this is only for, see, we need not have to tell anyone that, we are attending. We know, our inner conscious knows, and the God also knows, right? So it is only the good factor, good feel. You get a good feel. Savere kiske muh dekha? Hare Bhagwan ke muh dekha. That's sort of a nice feeling you get. And Bhakti Shastri, why I'm very, this, of course I used to train L2, L3. Bhakti Shastri, you are going to train others. So yad acharati sreshtaha, you remember that sloka, right? So the way you are behaving, there are people behind you who are watching and, for going to follow you. You need not have to tell them, do this, then they will do. No, they'll just watch you, your junior most, even elders also. He's so peaceful, he's doing all the work, he's going to work, coming home, he's always cool and all that. What magic? Only nothing. He or she is just chanting. They're attending early morning, they're attending Mangala Aarti also. So you will not feel sleepy if you miss sleep. So what will happen is that again the cycle will become proper. Again you'll go, once you get up early, that day you may have some, like disturbed mind and all, but you'll go to sleep early. So again you'll get good sleep, again get up in the morning, again you'll go to sleep early. That cycle will become full. Okay. Okay, what is this, Mataji? Okay, I expect Biju Prabhuji, even you're coming for Mangala Aarti, right? Once I saw, I don't know when.
Yeah. Every day I'm there.
Yeah, you. I just saw once. So what I was telling you, you were not there when I was saying. English ENG you're putting, and then you put BS. Bhakti
yes.
Vaibhav, Navya Mataji is in Bhakti Vaibhav also. Okay, and then English you have to put. I hope this is not your initial. BV is not your initial, no?
Mataji, actually, that is Bhakti. Actually, in Hyderabad, that is for Bhakti Vriksha leader, Mataji, not Bhakti Vaibhav.
Bhakti Vriksha, you need not have to put that BV. When you come to Mangala Aarti, write ENG, then only you will be marked in the English department. Whoever is taking attendance, you will be marked present, right? And that also carries marks. Okay. So ENG, BS2, right? BS2, BS-2 or BS2, you write. For my satisfaction, I will know that my students have come. Oh God, I'll feel nice. Okay. So otherwise, English department will see only ENG. Yes. BS2 Navya, correct. Like that, you can put a
Is it
BS.
Navya
Why two,
Mataji?
Mataji?
Is it Vaishnavi Mataji? Because Navya Mataji, are you online? Hare Krishna?
Yes, Mataji, I'm in
Okay,
online
okay.
only.
Okay.
Hari
But
bol.
why BS2, Mataji?
We are in second module, second what batch?
Mataji, we are there in first
No,
also,
BS
Mataji,
is that
simultaneously.
two is
We are there in Aishwarya's, Aishwarya Mataji's.
We are simultaneously doing Mataji.
yeah.
That's okay, that's why. Okay.
No, BS, the two you're dedicating for me. From my understanding, that they I'm very possessive about my student. I take care of them till the end of it. I just hold their hand and take it, take them to right pathway. So since you're also going to become teachers and also all this nuska and all, you can also create your own ideas and you can tell, see basically what in 18th chapter, what Krishna said, you have to take everyone to Krishna consciousness. When you do that, that will give you, lot of benefit. God will like them. Ativa me priya. That also it comes in 12th chapter. So many verses he says, I like people who are in Bhakti, in this about Krishna consciousness and who bring others also into this. So even one person is able to understand and come to this path, we will be blessed. Yes. Now where's Mataji? Sanju Mataji, take up that pranati. You want me to post it on the screen? If it is helping you, I'll post it, okay? Because it's on my screen, I've pinned it. Hare Krishna, are you there, Sanju Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
You should be a little more bold, talk with full confidence. I think you're. What's your age, Mataji? So, I mean, if you don't mind, you can tell me. I'm not seeing you. I mean, I saw you on the first day. So you must be very young. So you're a little scared or, shy or whatever. It's just be more. Then now we have become friends.
Mataji is from Sikkim, Mataji. She's attending from Sikkim.
Sikkim. Okay. So very far, but then here we are all very close. Mataji is coming from where? Dubai, you said, no? Rohini Mataji? There, I'm from Dubai. Dubai also you're here. I'm from Mumbai. I think Biju Prabhuji is also from Mumbai. So, internet has brought us together. Okay, Pranati. Yes, Sanju Mataji, Hare Krishna. Whether you are.
Mataji. Am I audible, Mataji?
Yes, you are. Be louder. Be loud and just sing.
Okay, Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Mena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manovistam Sthapitam Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Datanti Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Gurum Shri Yukta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Shakachatam Sharagunatavitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padansa Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhavitam Shah He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vanchakalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhuvaiva Cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Namo Brahmanaya Devaya Gu Brahmanaya Hitaya Cha
Hare Krishna. Namo Brahmanya. If this font is not good, I'll change the font, okay? Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha.
Namo Brahmanaya Devaya
Brahmanya.
Go
Mataji.
Brahmanaya
Hare Krishna.
Brahmanaya
Brahmanya.
Namo
Devaya.
Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmanya
Brahmana
Hitaya
Hitaya
Cha
Cha.
Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauravati Se Namaha
Gurave. Oh, so Gurave is not. Oh, it's there. Gurave is there. Gurave Gaura Chandraya.
Gaurave
Gurave. Guru is one Guru. Guru means
Yes.
one. Plural. So Gurave. Okay, plural. Gurave Gaurachandraya.
Guruve Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tat
Radhikayai Tadalaye.
Radhikaya Tadhalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashati Desitarini
Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam.
Panchatattvam Makkam
Panchatattva.
Krishnam
Panchatattvat
Panchatattvat
Makam Krishnam.
Makam Bhaktarupam Swarupakam
Bhaktavatam.
Bhaktavataram Bhaktakhyan
Namami Bhakta.
Namami Bhaktasaktikam Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes.
Mataji, this Praniti and Mangalacharan is the same, is it?
Yeah, same only, but we have in Pranati is what? It is a this salutation to so many other acharyas, to our Prabhupada's this Guru, Saraswati, Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, that is Namaste Saraswati Devi is not Saraswati. It is his Guru. And then Krishna, Radha, everyone. So we are just giving our obeisances to everyone. So that is, so Mangalacharan is that Mandeham Shri Guru Shri Vita Pada Kamalam. That is actually Mangalacharan is that, but first started with Guru Pranama, and I have that other written up thing also for initiation students. I had done it. So it is all, everything is available in Google. Just think of it, search it, you'll get. So that way I collected everything. Okay, now we'll go to the chapter. Today we started a little late, no problem. Now, still yesterday we saw Dushkritina, right? Now we are going to see people like us who are Sukritina. Okay, one minute, where is share button here? So whoever is free now, whoever can take up reading, can raise hand. People who have not yet started can read. Hare Krishna. Whoever has not started till now, reading in the class can, if you are free. Hare Krishna. Whoever find it easy. Anyway, everybody will get chance. Decide. Oh, yesterday I think Shravananda Prabhuji, you were left out, no? I told you to take.
Yes.
Okay, you start from yours and then anybody else can take. Yeah.
Yes, Master.
Hare Krishna. Start, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
You want the help? Yeah.
Yes, Krishna. Chaturvida bhajante mam jana jana sukritana arjuna arto jnasur artarti jnanecha bharatarshava.
One more thing, that also I'm just adding now only, today only, because on the first day if I add everything, you'll get confused. Now, before starting, you're just starting Bhagavata. First shloka we are taking. No, this is not the first shloka, but for this class, this is the first shloka. So first we should say, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Just one line you say, and then you start this. So all warm up only. Once you say that, oh, such a nice feeling you get, then your shloka, everything will come flow. It just, the flow comes very easily. Okay. Yeah. Now you go take up synonyms.
Yes, Mataji. Synonyms, Chaturvidaha. 4 kinds of bhajante, render services. Mam, unto me. Jana, persons. Sukritina, those who are pious. Arjuna, O Arjuna. Artha, the distressed. Jijnasu, the inquisitive. Artharthi, one who desires material gain. Jnani, the one who knows things as they are. Cha, also, Bharatarshaba, O great one amongst the descendants of Bharata. Translation in Tathil given by His Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. O best among the Bharatas, four kinds of pious men begin to render devotional service unto me: the distressed, the desirer of wealth, the inquisitive, and he who is searching for knowledge of the absolute.
So who are the
Perfect.
four people? Very clearly they are given here. Now the four people will, means it is just categorized as four. One is distress. No, I'm not getting marks. Oh God, I'm not keeping well. Oh God, my business is not doing good. I'm not getting money. I'm not, no, nothing. So please help me. Please help me. So the distressed people, they're the one category of people who, whenever they are distressed, they'll go to the Lord. The second one is desire of wealth, more money. They are already having bungalow and very good business. I don't know whether you people know about it, because many of our relatives, even myself, we were all in banks and loans and advances. We used to visit to all these big companies and all. You know what partnership they will put? Lord Balaji. There's also one of the partner. How? He's not a person. No, but then they will keep Lord Balaji as one of the partners. Whatever profit they get, that percentage of the other partners will get the same one part of that percentage, one part of that profit will go to Lord Balaji. So you can imagine why Lord Balaji is getting so much money, because many business people, and it is invented, they have that belief that Balaji ka naam dalo, my business will be succeeded, and a part we can give to Balaji. So people do all that. So people want more wealth, not only money, but everything they want. So such people are also there. Then inquisitive. Inquisitive is scriptures, read more about scripture to know more about the Lord. And the last one is who is searching for knowledge of the absolute. Yes, we know about the Lord, but then how to render service to him, how to keep him happy. So they will be doing that. So there are four categories of people. The last one is called Jnani. So Jnani cha Bharatarshava. We get that. Jnani. First one is what? This Artho, people who want money. Jignasu, who is inquisitive to know about the Lord and his pastimes and all. Artharthi, who wants money. And Jnani, one who wants to, who likes to render services unto the Lord, and they are finding ways and means to, keep continuously doing services to the Lord. Okay, now Purport you can read, Prabhuji.
Perfect. Unlike the miscreants, these are adherents of the regulative principles of the scriptures, and they are called Sukritinas. Sukriti are those who obey the rules and regulation of scriptures, the moral and social laws, and are more or less devoted to the Supreme Lord. Out of these, there are four classes of men: those who are sometimes distressed, those who are in need of money, those who are sometimes inquisitive, and those who are sometimes searching after knowledge of the absolute truth. These persons come to the Supreme Lord for devotional service under different conditions, pure devotees, because they have some aspiration to fulfill in exchange for devotional service. Pure devotional service is without aspiration and without desire for material profit. The Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.1.11 defines pure devotion. Thus, Anyavilashita Shunyam Jnana Karmadi Anavritam Anukulyena Krishnanushilanam Bhaktir Uttama. One should render devotional loving service to the Supreme Lord, Krishna, favorably and without desire for material profit or gain through fruitive activities or philosophical speculation. That is called pure devotional service. Can I continue, Ma'am?
Yeah, you can
Yes.
continue. So,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
already learned Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. The first thing is what? You should do render services to the satisfaction of the Lord, not for my satisfaction. Just now, before the class started, I just said, when you chant, Hare Krishna Mahamantra early in the morning, oh, so nice feeling. Yes, I'm feeling nice. But why I'm feeling nice? Because I'm keeping the Lord happy. I'm taking his name. So when I do such services, he will be happy. When I offer, to the Lord, he will be happy. And ultimately, what? We also become happy. When you keep the Lord happy, it passes on to us also. Like you also feel a good feel factor you get. So, yeah, but that should be pure devotional service and not for fruitive activities. Okay. No philosophical speculations. Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Mataji. When these four kinds of persons come to the Supreme Lord for devotional service and are completely
Purified.
are completely purified by the association of a pure devotee, they also become pure devotees. As far as the miscreants are concerned, for them devotional service is very difficult because their lives are selfish, irregular, and without spiritual goals. But even some of them, by chance, when they come in contact with a pure devotee, also become pure devotees.
So we are like, spreading out, like yesterday I said, no, we are just cleaning their minds, and we are just, anybody comes in contact with pure devotees, we can consider ourselves as pure devotees, though we are still trying to become, but you can always feel positive. Yes, I am a pure devotee because I'm doing all this, but we have to keep on improving. Instead of having that pride in our mind, I am a pure devotee, but I have to improve. Still more, I have to become, more pure, like that. And when anybody comes in contact with us, they also, because we can turn them also as a devotee and then pure devotee. Yes. Read.
Those who are always busy with spiritual activities come to the Lord in material distress and at that time associate with pure devotees and become in their distress devotees of the Lord. Those who are simply frustrated also come sometimes to associate with the pure devotees and become inquisitive to know about God. Similarly, when the dry philosophers are frustrated in every field of knowledge, they sometimes want to learn of God, and they come to the Supreme Lord to render devotional service and thus transcend knowledge of the impersonal Brahman and the localized Paramatma, and come to the personal conception of Godhead by the grace of the Supreme Lord or his pure devotee. On the whole, when the distressed and the inquisitive, the seeker of knowledge, and those who are in need of money are free from all material desires, and when they fully understand that material remuneration has nothing to do with the spiritual improvements, they become pure devotees. As long as such a purified stage is not attained, devotees in transcendental service to the Lord are trained with spiritual activities, the search for mundane knowledge, etc. So no one has to transcend all this before one can come to the stage of pure devotional service. Hare Krishna.
You want to say something about this, Prabhuji? One has
Yes,
to render
Mataji.
devotional service, and why? I mean, how transcend knowledge of impersonal Brahman. Brahman, yes, we believe in Brahman. Like compared to your sunlight, yes, but beyond that, what? The localized Paramatma, the one who is sitting beside, inside everyone's heart. Apart from that, we are going just and come to the personal conception of Godhead. Only when you think, God is a person, no, the Murti is there. Forget you don't have a Murti, no problem. A photo, I don't have a photo also, no problem. Bhagavad Gita book, Bhagavad Gita ka book. Anywhere you find Krishna, yes, he's there. Oh, he's also hungry. I am also hungry. Oh, I have to give him har, that we have to garland him. We have to incense. Just nice, this, what, agarbatti and all you can show. You have to keep on, praise the Lord and, do all. That sort of feeling when you'll come like a child in our house. It is all taking away all our time because we keep crying or do something, pranks or something. We have to keep on holding. Don't touch there, don't go there, and all that. It seeks attention. The same way, God also has to be pampered that way. Then only he will, my bhakta is really fond of me. He will also understand that way. So that way, we have to go understand that God is a person, and then only you will get a feeling of serving him. So that is also given there. And as far as purified stage is not attained, devotees in transcendental service of the Lord are tainted with futive See that Tangamay Jewelers, what Prabhuji said in the starting of that, our course started. See, those people are real filthy rich, you can see. Still, they have that, love for God, and they do all the bhakti service, and whatever they eat, it is all prasad, and also very few people are like that. Of course, there are many who are actually overnight rich people. They may not do all that, but people khandani, like, they are all rich. Their bab dada, everyone is rich. They are all born in that, in that mahol, like, every time bhajan, kirtan and all, they will always think of Lord. Even if they are rich, what? They would have made money by themselves, even from their hereditary, inherited property. So they will have that bhakti. So one has to be pure. That is a purified stage that has to be attained only by devotional service. As long as such a pure devotional, purified stage is not attained, what will happen? Devotees in transcendental service to the Lord are tainted, because that Maya is there to catch us. The moment you stop, talking about Lord or listening about God, there's some gossip going on. Our ears or eyes or tongue, everything is waiting to catch something else. Maya is there to catch. So we should always try to be in devotion. Yeah. Yeah. Who's taking the next one? Anybody? All have raised hand. Who wants to take? Biju, I think your hand I can see first. Yeah, you can
Okay.
take.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Hari Bol.
Tesham Gyani Nityukta Eka Bhakti Visheshyate Priyo hi Gyani no Gyani Nino
Atyartham.
Tyartham.
You should add a, yeah? Then only that
Okay.
you can pronounce it. Right.
Atyartham.
Yes.
Okay. Atyartham Aham sa cha
Mama
Mama
Priyaha.
Priyaha.
What God says, I like them. Whom He likes, chalo chalo, we'll see. From the meaning only we'll understand. Yes.
Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. And before that, the synonyms.
Yeah.
Tesham, out of them, Jnani, one in full knowledge, Nitya Yukta, always engaged, Eka, only, Bhakti, in devotional service, Visheshyate, is special, Priya, very dear, he certainly, Jnanina, to the person in knowledge, Atyartham, highly, Aham, I am, Saha, he, Cha, also, Mama, to me, Priya, dear.
Very bol. So out of 4 categories, what He likes, God likes whom? The Jnani. He likes only the Jnani.
Yeah,
Others
Jnani.
also, of course, everyone is children of the Lord. But then uttai proportion mein he is not partial to anyone. But more you do service to him, more attention. Like small children, more they become cranky, pampering, mama, papa. When they do, only that child gets attention. The other children who are adjusting, usko diya to nahi diya, kuch farak nahi padta hai. Like that. But the child who keeps on, mama, papa, then only that child gets all the attention, right? The same way you have to keep on remembering the Lord, and such what He says, more they know about me. Such bhaktas are dear to me. Many shlokas come like that, so we can make down. Yes, translation.
The translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Of these, the one who is in full knowledge and who is always engaged in pure devotional service is the best. For I am dear to him and he is dear to me.
Haribol.
Yeah. Free from all contaminations of material desires, the distressed, the inquisitive, the penniless, and the seeker after supreme knowledge can all become pure devotees. But out of them, he who is in knowledge of absolute truth and free from the material desires becomes a really pure devotee of the Lord. And of the 4 orders, the devotee who is in full knowledge and is at the same time engaged in devotional service is, the Lord says, the best. By searching after knowledge, one realizes that his self is different from his material body. And when further advanced, he comes to the knowledge of impersonal Brahman and Paramatma. When one is fully purified, he realizes that his constitutional position is to be the eternal servant of the God. So, by association with pure devotees, the inquisitive, the distressed, the seeker after material amelioration, and the man in knowledge all become themselves pure. But in the preparatory stage, the man who is in full knowledge of the Supreme Lord and is at the same time executing devotional service is very dear to the Lord. He who is situated in pure knowledge of transcendence of Supreme Personality of God is so protected in devotional service that material contamination cannot touch him. Hare Krishna.
Tangamail jailers, you can remember. That's a good example that day you gave, So they have so much of money, but then overnight, people who become bhaktas, overnight when they become rich and all, they have, I got so much of crores of money. Then I will do party. I will buy this, that, and all. But people who are already into that, they'll say, I've been seeing, as when I was child only, I saw so much of wealth and, big car and bungalow. So what? Then now what? I have to only do puja part and remember the Lord. So we have to, though even if you have knowledge that is given here, the man in knowledge all become themselves pure. But in the preparatory stage, the man who is in full knowledge, I have read that Upanishad, this, that, all shlokas in my tip of my tongue. Okay, but then without bhakti, that knowledge is a big zero. So one who is in full knowledge of the Supreme Lord, he is at the same time executing devotional service. So what is devotional service again? It is only first hearing. Start attending class, whether you like it, whether you know it, whether you understand. The teacher is so boring, can't understand her English. I don't understand at all what she's talking. Whatever it is, just keep listening. Any class, just attend, keep listening. Do your work also, because you can be on mute, right? Even in our class, Bhakti Vaibhav, we do that only. We can't just sit the whole day, So even we do our housework, and then of course we, listen, put your earbud and all you put. But then what I'm saying, like, Hare Krishna, somebody's sound I'm getting, I think. So you have to be attentive and this, what at the same time executing devotional service. So at least start with Shravanam and then what? Kirtanam. When you chant, what happens? You're chanting, of course, and you're hearing also. So you should chant in such a way that you're able to hear, not the outsiders. You should Hare Krishna, 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 Hare. Itna bas ho gaya. When you chant for yourself, so much sound is sufficient so that you can absorb that and then close your eyes and then Shravanam Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. You are remembering the Lord also. The first out of the 9 devotional service, the first 3 gets covered only by your Namajapa. So 16 times when you do, what happens? Full cleansed totally. So that is also pure devotional service is required. Not only your knowledge will not help, only karma. Every day I have to put full chadani. What is the time? I'm getting late. Do all that fat, nikal ke office. No, there's no use at all. So within ourselves, you should remember Lord by hearing, chanting, and Shravanam, Kirtanam, and Vishnu Smaranam. That is a basic thing. So yeah, Prabhuji, you wanted to say something? I just took over.
No, Mataji. So basically, this says where somebody who's in absolute knowledge and continues to do the devotional services from theirs to the Lord. And one more important aspect, which is reiterated here, is that our constitutional position is mentioned, which is the eternal servant of the God.
Correct. We have to serve the Lord. That is our constitutional position. Even if you get Goloka Vrindavan, chalo, you got the ticket to go to Goloka Vrindavan. Oh, now I can sit, around, say, put my, cross-legged, just sit and, I'll just enjoy. No, there also we are so used to doing, that's why the great, acharyas and all, when they were offered, now it is time, come to our world. He said, no, I'm doing the same thing here also, let me do bhajan here only. After going there also, I'm going to do the, worshipping you only. I have to do that work only. So I'm happy here only. Remembering the Lord and do anything. So wherever you are in, that becomes what? Vrindavan for you. So, you have to be, basically what? You have to remember the Lord and serve Him. So we are that example I said, the servant. In our house also, whenever servant comes, they're very humble. Even though you feel, what in this age, we are all so this. So why you want to feel yourself as a servant? We may say that, but they always feel that they should serve us because they have been doing that. So we should also be, that is our constitutional position. That we have to, because we are also Satchitananda, but in the quantity wise, we are very less. But we are going to be serving the Lord. Yes, 18, who's going to take? I think Vaishnavi Mataji's hand is raised. Hare Krishna, are you there, Mataji? Yeah. Please read.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Once.
Udaraha sarva eva ite jnane tvatmaiva me matam astitah sa hi yuktatma mamevānuttamām gatim. Synonym by His Divine Krishna Prabhupada ki jai. Udaraha, magnanimous, sarve, all, eva, certainly, ete, the, jnani, one who is in knowledge, tu, but, atma eva, just like myself, me, my, matam, opinion, astita, situated, saha, he certainly, yukta, engaged in devotional service, mam, me, eva, certainly, anuttamam, the highest, gatim, destination. Translation by His Divine Krishna Prabhupada ki. All these devotees are undoubtedly magnanimous souls, but who is situated in the knowledge of me, I consider to be just like my own self. Being engaged in my transcendental service, he is sure to attain me the highest and the most perfect good. Purport by His Divine Grace.
Bhagavan to immediately, he's just, in so many shlokas he says, he is sure to attain me. So, he cannot speak lies like us, no? We sometimes speak lies also, white lies, black lies and all. But he can never go wrong. He is assuring us in so many shlokas he says. So such devotee will surely attain me. Yeah. Purport. Read, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Purport by His Divine Grace. Shla Prabhupada ki jai. It is not that devotees who are less complete in knowledge are not dear to the Lord. The Lord says that all are magnanimous because anyone who comes to the Lord for any purpose is called Mahatma or great soul. The devotees who want some benefit out of devotional service are accepted by the Lord. There is an exchange of affection. Out of affection, they ask the Lord for some material benefit, and when they get it, they become so satisfied that they also advance in devotional service. But the devotees in full knowledge is considered to be very dear to the Lord because his only purpose is to serve the Supreme Lord with love and devotion. Such a devotee cannot live a second without contacting or serving the Supreme Lord. Similarly, the Supreme Lord is very fond of his devotees and cannot be separated from him. In Srimad Bhagavatam,
Yeah, read, Mataji.
in Srimad Bhagavatam, the Lord says, Sadho hridayam madhyam, sadhunam hridayam tvaham, madanyate janananti, naham tebhyo managati.
Jananti. Anyate
Jan.
na jananti. They do not know. Naham tebhyo managapi.
The devotees are always in my heart, and I am always in the hearts of the devotee. The devotee does not know about anything beyond me, and I also cannot forget the devotees. There is a very intimate relationship between me and the pure devotees. Pure devotees in full knowledge are never out of spiritual touch, and therefore they are very much dear to me.
Very well. So nice, no? See, we all know Modi or whoever, great personality you can name. I'm not saying Modi because all are not Modi followers. But anybody, famous, we all know him. But do he knows? Does he know us? Whether he should be knowing us, then only that will be a reciprocation, right? So we all know God, Krishna. But God should also know us, right? He says, such devotees are pure, dear to me. So we are already in that bracket only, the dear bracket mein aa gaya. See, even when you were reading, I was remembering that 6th chapter. In 6th chapter also, what he says? That hard, that tapas and all that, even if you can't do, no problem. And even death, even about the death also it's mentioned, no? What in the, what Uttarayan, daytime, and what that 15 days waning moon or waning moon. When a person dies in that period, then they go to, or what? They don't go to Golok. They get that, spiritual world. And then people who are dying at night, and then what is the Uttarayan opposite? Dakshinayan. Dakshinayan is from July to January 14th, We had, that Uttarayan started from January 14th. So during that period, during the waxing moon or something, and during night time and all that, then they get rebirth, it seems. Oh, is it like that? Then we have to wait, Oh, 6 months this person should not die, or 6 months I should not die. For a devotee, it doesn't matter at all. A devotee can die anytime because unka muh mein kya rehta hai? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Always is remembering Lord. Always he's saying Krishna. He's eating Krishna Prasad. So we have nothing to worry about. It is given in Bhagavad Gita. It is not concocted story. The ISKCON people have created something, or somebody's Mataji is just cooking up stories. No, nobody's cooking up story. See, everything we get reference from Veda Bhagavatam or some scripture they write. So in this Bhagavatam, it is written. So it is all like gospel for us. So it's given like pure devotees in full knowledge. Of course, they should have full knowledge. But Andha Vishwasa maine kiya. Somebody told me I did that. No, we should have the knowledge also. They will never be out of spiritual touch. They are always dear to me because they, with dil se, with out of affection, with love they are offering me, with love they are calling out my names like that. So from tomorrow, like morning Aarti, and I want to see tomorrow how many people are writing BS too. I feel nice, oh, my students are, I want to tell others also, that English, whoever is taking that attendance, she told me to put English, no? I said, I'm not an English, but you're a student of English, no? Bhakti Vaibhav. I said, oh, yes. I thought only serving. I'm, doing service to Tamil department. She said, no, you start putting English. So I went, oh, is it like that? Then I said, okay, I'll bring my students also. So my students will also, I can see tomorrow and I'll proudly tell them, these are my students. Yes, Vamshidhar Prabhuji, and after that, Arunaksha Chaitanya Das. First time I'm hearing this name, Arunaksha Chaitanya Das.
No, Mataji, he attends.
Okay. I think not.
He's one of the regular devotee here.
Acha, I've never seen his voice. I mean, I've never heard his voice earlier. That's what, no, even today, see, it's almost a week. I'm not aware of my own students. So bad of me. Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna, Hare you. Vamshidhar, no? Vamshidhar wants to read, yeah. Who's answering?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Read, Prabhuji.
Om
This is also
Namo
very
Bhagavate-
important shloka.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyante Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha.
Very good.
Bahunam. Yeah. Bahunam, many. Janmanam, repeated birth and death. Ante, after. Jnanavan, one who is in full knowledge. Mam, unto me. Prapadyante, surrender. Vasudevaha, the personality of Godhead Krishna. Sarvam, everything. Iti, thus, saha, that. Mahatma, great soul. Sudurlabha, very rare to see. Translation by Prabhupada ki jai. After many birth and death, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare. Purport by His Divine Grace, Prabhupada ki jai. The living entity, while executing devotional service or transcendental ritual, after many births, many actual become situated in transcendental pure knowledge that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the ultimate goal of spiritual realization. In the beginning of spiritual realization, while one is trying to give up one's attachment to materialism, there is some leading towards impersonalism, but when one is further advanced, he can understand that there are activities in the spiritual life and that these activities constitute devotional service. Realizing this, he becomes attached to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, surrendered to him. At such a time, one can understand that Lord Shri Krishna, mercy is everything, that he is the cause of all causes, and that is materialism manifestation. Material manifestation is not dependent from him. He realized the material world to be a perverted reflection of spiritual variegatedness and realize that is everything. There is a relationship with the Supreme Lord Krishna. Thus the things of everything is relation to Vasudeva or Sri Krishna, such as universal vision of Vasudeva precipitates of full surrender to the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna as the highest goal. Such surrendered great soul are very rare.
You know what he is ending? So for us, what? Mahatma Gandhi. Anybody can say Mahatma and all that, like people who like, say, oh, you're such a great person. Mahatma is meant, I mean, that term is given for whom? All this has to be done. Whatever he is, the material attachment should go. When you see, it is like, that balance, that weighing machine. So if you, like, what do you call, like, when you have more material attachment, this what our bhakti will always be here only. You will not get attached to the Lord, attached to Krishna. The less of burden of our material attachment, keep on removing. Like that's why in ISKCON they say leave coffee. Why leave coffee and tea? I mean not coffee. In South Indian we drink coffee. They said that coffee came. Leave tea. Why the leaving tea? Because it's an intoxicant actually. So that's why people say, oh God, if I don't drink tea in the afternoon or don't drink tea in the morning, my head will break. I think, but nowadays that younger generation are not into this, I think. Many people who visit home also, the youngsters, they say, oh, I don't drink tea and coffee. They say that. I mean, so I'm really feeling so nice. But that, like our age people and all, no, I don't know when we started that bad habit. But that time, that awareness was not that coffee. Yes, coffee has to be, that was given to them. Oh, coffee nahi piyega to then, I'm getting headache. So that is what you're getting addicted. So that is what you don't want to have. That's what is given in this ISKCON is, just don't get addicted to anything. Addiction to the Lord is okay. Addiction to the attending classes or addiction to reading Prabhupada's books or anything, Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam, yes, that is okay. But anything other than that, if you get addicted, then you're gone. It is easy to come down. It is very difficult to climb. We have already reached the stage of Bhakti Shastri. That is a graduation level. But to fall down is very easy. So once you lose interest, gone. Once you stop attending classes, one fall. Then slowly, then what? Who will get up in the morning? Janidu. Then slowly, then who will offer, Lord, I can eat anything? Gone. Still more further down. Then not doing japa. So slowly that path comes down like that. So here, but one who is fully surrendered, see, like Prabhupada, what he does, he hardly sleeps. Of course, he was aged enough. But then aged means he can always relax, no? In easy chair, mein aaram se baith ke. No, he never did that. So anytime he's getting up, he's doing chanting, he's writing books and what at that age. And morning 1 hour he used to take morning walk. And his speed is so much. People used to run behind him with their tape recorder and all, whatever he's even while walking, he used to talk about Krishna, such a thing. So those people can be considered as Mahatma. So, but such Mahatma are Su Durlabha. Durlabha is very rare, but Su Durlabha, very, very, very rare. It's given like that. Such surrendered great souls are very rare. Yeah, you can continue, Prabhuji.
Yeah, Mataji. So I want to add one point, Mataji, here.
Yeah, please. Sorry.
Yeah, so after many births, this soul finally realized that everything is Vasudeva Sarvamiti. Then it is come only after the special mercy upon this particular soul by the Lord Supreme Personality of Lord Krishna.
Yes.
Yes. It is
And one more thing.
mercy.
Continue, Prabhuji. Sorry.
Yes.
Continue.
This verse is very nicely explained in the 3rd chapter, verse 14. Sveteshwara Upanishad 14 and
before that what I wanted to add is, after many births means what? Even we have been gone through all that. Have you seen that in kids class, and of course in level 11, level 1, 18 days course, they show that picture, right from small insect and then aquatic animal and then what? Amphibian, what some names and all, we say, no, who can crawl in water and they can live in water and land and all, like that. They show that finally they show a human form. So we have all evolved. We have all undergone all that, and now we have. So is this a guarantee that now the path is very easy? You can actually see the Lord. The picture shows like that that drawing. So we are so closer now. Just have little knowledge and do bhakti, and you can just jump into that this devotional. God's abode. But then there is all the chances of falling down also. Even after reaching such a top, it is like snakes and ladders. The moment you get this, we are all in 98. There's one 99. There's one big snake which will drop us down to like 5 or 4, whatever you can imagine that way. But luckily, what we should do, we are holding on to 90 and no, I should go. And there it's written as home also. Have you seen that? Snakes and ladders, that end point is written as home. Or back to Godhead. So anything you can compare like that. Oh, it's like that only, no? So we have just
Vaikunta.
Hare Krishna.
It is written on Vaikuntham.
Vaikunta.
Yes.
Yes. Correct. Yeah. So we have to think like that. But one fall is enough. If you get one in your, the dice, enough. That snake will drop you to 5. Then you will be an aquatic animal or some germ or worm or something. Again, go evolve. Then 2-legged, 1 leg, all that, vertebrate, invertebrate, all that you were learning in science, everything you have to go through. You just cannot go jump to, of course, you can get jump to, human form also, because you get ladder also. When with the devotees association, some devotees chanting and you are like a plant or some small, ant beside it, you're listening. Yes, you may die and next you may get a human form, possible. But what is the guarantee? But now we have all the 6 senses, we can speak, we can think. So now we should not leave any chance for for a fall down. So we have to, so, but we have come to this stage after many births. That's what is, they started like the Bahunam Janmanam Ante. After many births, we have got this. Jnanavan Mam Prapadyati. Only a Jnana, people who have knowledge can think about this and they can take this forward. Yeah, Shveteshvatara Upanishad. Yes, Prabhuji.
Sahasrashirsha Purusaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sahasra Bhumi Vishvato Vritva
Yatishthat
Tatishta Dashangulam Purusha Edam Sarvam Yad Bhutam Yascha Bhavyayam Uttatmatma Vashvasheshno
Yat Aninati
Uttatmatma Uttatma
Tam
Ashneshno Ashneshno Yad Anenati Rohanti.
So what is the meaning?
Rohati.
Nice.
Similar sloka from Purushottam. Lord Vishnu has thousands of heads, thousands of eyes, and thousands of feet, entirely encompassing the whole universe.
He's covered.
Is still extends beyond it by 10 fingers. But he is, in fact, is entire universe. He is all that was and all that will be. He is the Lord of immortality and of all that is nourished by the food in the Chandogya Upanishad 5.1.15. It is said, Nava Vacho Na Chakshum Mishi Na Shotrani Na Manamriti
Achakshate prana. Manamsiti
Achakshate prana iti
eva
chakshate prano eva ityanti.
Ivetani sarvani
bhavanti. In the body of living being, neither the power of speak, nor the power to see, nor the power to hear, nor the power to think. It is the prime factor. It is life, which is center of all activities. Similarly, Lord Vasudeva, or the personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, is the prime entity, is everything. In this body, there are powers of speaking, of seeing, of hearing, of mental activity, etc. But these are not important if not related to Supreme Lord. And because Vasudeva is all pervading and everything, Vasudeva is devotee surrendered in full knowledge. Bhagavad Gita 7.17 to 11.14.
So we have all eyes and ears and everything God has given in total. But what are we doing? We are trying to see good things which is away from the Lord, which is not in God. We are seeing, we are trying, because that is, see, the eyes, the job of the eyes is to see good things. The job of the nose is to, smell good things. So why can't we see the Lord, which is so beautifully decorated? Why don't you realize that? So see the Lord. Our eyes are meant to see the Lord. Our nose are meant to smell the flowers, the tulsi flower or whatever is offered to the Lord, they give. Have you seen in Mangaluru, they give, then they sumke, that's such a nice, you get that,
Yes,
sometimes I
Mataji.
get that smell, I don't know how. When I see them, I feel, oh, I'm also getting that, some tulsika smell, something. That's only imagination, of course. I'm so far away from Mangaluru. But then that feeling you get, they're all smelling, for flowers which are offered to the Lord is given to them for smelling. Our eyes are meant for that. Our legs are meant for circumambulating the Lord, that the temple. And our mouth is supposed to chant and have prasad. So everything is given for that. But people with less intelligence, what they do this. Otherwise, there is no use. It's given like that. In this body, there are powers of speaking, seeing, hearing, of mental activities, etc. But these are not important if it is not related to Supreme Lord. It is of no use. Being in a human form, we are just living an animal life. And what again, that chakra view, you can get a this. And because Vasudeva is all pervading, everything is Vasudeva. The devotee surrenders in full knowledge. This knowledge one should have, and we have to surrender. It's only 1 minute left. We are stopping here. I don't know why people have Arunaksha Chaitanya Prabhuji and Prasanna Chitta Prabhuji. Hare Krishna again. We have to stop here because only 1 hour. No, actually 1 hour is very too short.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, no problem, Mataji.
We'll
Next
stop
day
here
also
and
we
we'll take up that shloka. Okay. Hare Krishna. Who's going to start shloka? Oh, many people can read. Now, so you
Hare
must
Krishna,
be
Mataji.
at home also. You just practice so that I'll show
Can
it
I
on the
start,
screen.
Mataji?
Yeah. Please start. Please start. Start, Prabhuji. Rasanichita Prabhuji, you start. I'll share it on the screen also for your. In 2 days' time, you should be able to say by heart, because we'll be going to 8th chapter then. Then 7th chapter nahi karenge. Yes.
First one, Mataji.
First one, yeah.
Chapter 7.5. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Apareyam itapstve anyam prakritim
Prabhuji, it has
anyam.
Tvanyam. You can put together. Whenever that comes on, it's a vowel, right? So like in English, how you have vowel, no? That vowel can be, combined here. Tvanyam. You can, while saying, though the meaning is twa is different, anyam is different. That's why it's given separate. But while saying, you can say tvanyam. Not anyam.
Apareyam itastvanyam. Apareyam itastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhuta mahabhavo ye dam daryate jagat.
Today we will skip that meaning, okay? Meaning we can do. Only shlokas we will do fatafat. It's already 8. We'll take 8 to 2 minutes more. Yeah, who wants to say that any other shlokas? Everybody can participate. Hare Krishna. Just raise hand and participate.
Yes, Mataji.
Take up. Whichever
Shri
you want.
Bhagavan Vacha Daivesha Gunamai Mama Maya Duratya Mahameva Ye Prapadyante Mayam Epam Tarantute. Translation also, na Mataji?
No, translation today we will not take, Prabhuji. It's already
Sorry,
time.
yes.
Yeah, we can. Yeah,
Hare
anybody
Krishna,
else?
Mataji.
Yeah.
Shri Bhagavanu Vacha Daiviyesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratraya Mama Eva Prapadyante Mayam Etam Itantite.
Fast.
Sorry, Tarantite.
Tarantite. Yeah, they will just come out of Maha. Yeah, others can also participate. Navya
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yeah, continue. Arunaksha.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanavamam Prapadyate Vasudheva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabha.
We did it, not? We did this. So nice, no? Yes. Anybody else? Quick. Just take shlokas one by one. Everybody. Sanju Mataji, Manjula Mataji, don't go for dinner so early. Don't leave me and go. After our class, you can have your dinner. Anybody else who wants to take? Yes.
Mataji,
Please take. Fast. Which one you want? Quick.
Okay, Mataji.
Which one you want?
7.14, Mataji.
Okay.
I'm not very good at
I will teach you, no problem.
Okay, Mataji.
Shri Bhagavanu Vacha.
Bhagavanu Vacha.
Daivi Hesha Gunamayi.
Daivi Esha Gunamayi.
Mama Maya Duratyaya.
Mama Maya Duratyaya.
Mam eva ye prapadyante.
Mam eva ye prapadyante.
Mayam etam tarantite.
Mayam etam tarintite.
Haribol, very nice. So tomorrow you will be able to say this clearly, okay?
Okay.
So if you don't get it correctly, go through the recording. So this recording will be there. You can 2 times you see it will be, you'll be able to say. Yes, Mataji. Rohini Mata, you want to say? Everybody should participate.
7.19 Shri Bhagavanuvacha Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabha.
Haribol. Haribol. Anybody else who wants to take up?
Hare Krishna, the third sloka.
You want to say? Okay.
Moodu sloka. Bahunam janmanamante Jnanavan mam prapadyate Vasudeva sarvamiti Samahatma sudurlabha.
Haribol. Durlabha. Durlabha. It should say. Okay, Haribol. So we will stop here. Tomorrow also we'll take. Today we will spend some time on general discussion. That's why we lost some time. No problem. But that is also helpful, no? So we'll just end today's session. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. This also, this last prayer also somebody can take if you are interested. In kids section and all, they used to take up. They used to really like Jai bolne ke liye lot of energy they get. Okay, then Anantakoti Bhakta Vrinda ki Jai. Hare Krishna.
Jai.
No, Jai, see,
Jai.
the elders are not able to say Jai loudly. Okay, I'll start from beginning. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya
Patitanam
pavanebhyo
pavanebhyo
vaishnavebhyo
vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Anantakoti
Anantakoti
Vaishnava
Bhakta
Vrinda
Vrinda
ki
ki
Jai.
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 Srila
Srila
Prabhupada
Prabhupada
ki Jai.
Haribol.
Jai.
Then
Haribol.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai.
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 Then thank
Namacharya
you.
Srila Haridas Thakur
Thakur
ki
ki
Jai.
Jai.
Then
All
all the
assembled devotees ki Jai.
Hare
yes, of course.
Krishna.
Everybody ka Jai.
Guru and Gauranga ki Jai.
Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
Hari Hari
Hari
Bol.
Hari Bol.
I want such energy because I have been teaching kids, full of energy. They never get tired at all. Morning 6 o'clock, but they used to come, like you all know, they come early, 5:45, they come and they will do chanting. They will do one or two times, their chanting will go on. That is how I train my students. They have to chant. They're all doing 16 rounds. All the kids, they're all doing 16 rounds.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Okay, I'm ending the meeting today. Tomorrow we will meet. Hare Krishna. And tomorrow, morning, I will see you all in the Mangalarti. I want everybody to be there. Okay.